So by the term zero waste philosophy, it is meant that it is a world view that aims to reducing the waste created by human beings by reducing consumption and reusing products and resources. To how far we can reduce our use of plastics by reusing them and by consuming it very less whenever it is essentially important. Just buy plastic during those times. Otherwise, maximum try to recycle them. So by zero waste philosophy, it is meant that we use plastic very less and we throw plastic very less. So before we move on to the next concept discussed in this part, I would just like to mention what are planktons and plankton studies. Actually, planktons are tiny organisms that drift freely on the surface of water. So you can see them moving on the surface of water like floating plants. So their study is very essential because they will help in understanding the impact of plastic on marine ecosystem. How far plastic pollution has a drastic impact on the ecosystem, particularly the marine ecosystem, can be understood by making a serious study on these tiny organisms that are called planktons. So to contain and control plastic pollution and its harmful effects on the environment, governments all over the world and important institutions have brought in policies, and these are being implemented. And India government has also implemented a policy called National Policy on Single-Use Plastic. So it aims to eliminate plastic in a phased manner. So step by step, the government of India tries to eliminate and reduce the use of plastic. Then the UGC, that is the University Grants Commission, has also issued guidelines to all higher educational institutions to ban single-use plastic in their campuses. So now these days, most of the campuses are transforming into green campuses, where least plastic is used. And as part of making awareness among people all over the world with regard to plastic pollution and its harmful effects on environment, United Nations Environment website projects or displays the message that is beat plastic pollution that was observed during the World Environmental Day on June 5, 2018. So thus we have now understood what are non-biodegradable pollutants and how plastic is a major threat to nature's balance and human sustenance on earth. So it is very essential that we reduce our use of plastic to the maximum, and throwing them casually on earth should be stopped from this moment. Thank you.